What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today we're going to talk about comparing numbers in fourth grade math. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over a few problems. I'm going to ask you to pause the video so you can try some on your own, but we're going to do some math comparison. We're going to figure out what numbers are bigger, what numbers are smaller. That's the goal for today. Hit a little subscribe button, please. I beg you. I would appreciate it. Let's get started. Let's take a look at some symbols. Okay, this little guy right here, this little arrow pointing to the left, or it kind of looks like an arrow pointing to the left, doesn't it? Without the line, that means is less than. Is less than. Like, just think of any two numbers. 5 is less than 100. I am less than LeBron James size. I'm pretty tall, but LeBron James taller. Okay, that means is less than. So when I look at these two numbers, 3 and 5, you would say, what is 3 to 5? 3 is less than 5. So you write out that little symbol. Now, the other symbol that you see right here, this guy that looks like an arrow pointing to the right without the line means is greater than. Like, Mr. Beast is greater than the math teacher Goat in subscriptions, but only in subscriptions, not in coolness and educational value. But also 20 is greater than 1. Stuff like that. So 8 versus 2. 8 is greater than 2. Now, a lot of teachers, and you could do this if you want, when you write out these symbols, some teachers like to do this. They like to pretend that these little symbols are like little alligators, and the alligators always eat the larger numbers. So which one's larger, 3 or 5? 5 is larger, so the alligator is going to eat the 5 because the alligator hungry. Did I say alligator? I love it. It was an accident. Alligator, alligator than. This is the greatest lesson I've ever created so far. I'm keeping it. Also, if you look at this guy, this alligator is going to eat that 8 because that 8 is so much bigger, the alligator hungry, right? Now, will I always do this? No. But if it helps, then it helps, and you just do it anyway. Anything that works, you just do whatever works for you, whatever helps you understand the material. Okay, so again, that symbol is less than, that symbol is greater than, and then we just compare the numbers using those symbols right there. So let's fill in these blanks. Now we're dealing with larger numbers. Let's compare 56 and 73. Now when you compare numbers, always look at the first digit. If they're the same amount of digits, that's what you're going to do first. If they're the same amount, if like one has more digits than the other, then the one with more digits is going to be bigger. But since these are 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, then we have to do this. Look at the first number first. You will see that 7 is greater than 5, so the alligator is going to eat the 7. So 56 is less than 73 because the 7 is greater than the 5, or the 5 is less than the 7. 56 is less than 73. 56 is less than 73. Now let's take a look at the next one. Take a look at the first digit. They're the same. That stinks. So what do? Well, jump to the second digit. And you will see in the second digit that 7 is bigger than 4, so the alligator is going to eat the 7. Okay? 34 is less than 37. 34 is less than 37. Okay? Let's do it again. 2-digit number, 2-digit number. So doesn't help. 9 and 9 are the same. Doesn't help. 5 versus 1. Ooh, the 5 is bigger than the 1, so the alligator is going to eat the 5. Okay. 95 is greater than 91. 95 is greater than 91. So if each number has the same amount of digits, underline the first digit. If one's bigger than the other, eat that one. If they're the same, then move to the next digit, and if one's bigger than that one, eat the bigger one. And then we read it as 56 is less than 73. 34 is less than 37. 95 is greater than 91. There you have it. So, let's do some more. What if we have 3-digit or, my stars, 4-digit numbers? Repeat the process, okay? 3-digit versus 3-digit, can't do anything there. Okay? 6 versus 6, can't do anything there. 3 versus 1, the alligator's going to eat the 3. So this number, 634, is greater than this number, 612. 634 is greater than 612. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. Let's get different colors. 3-digit, nothing I can do. Underline the 9s, nothing I can do. Underline the 4s, nothing I can do. 5 versus 8, 8 is bigger than 5, so the alligator's going to eat the 8. So 945 is less than 948. 945 is less than 948. 4 digits, my gosh! I'm scared. Don't be scared. I got you. Okay. 1 and 1, can't do anything. 0, 0, can't do anything. 6 and 5, 6 is bigger than 5, so the alligator is going to eat the 6 and leave the 5. So then we would read this as 1066 is greater than 1059. 1066, it's telling me to update devices, is greater than 1059. So 634 is greater than 612, makes sense. 945 is less than 948, makes sense. 1066 is greater than 1059, makes sense. Now, you try it. Pause the screen. Get some scrap paper first, maybe. Maybe get some scrap paper, write all of this out. Pause the screen. You figure out what the answers are, and we'll double check together. Welcome back. 2 digits, can't do anything. 5, can't do anything. 5, 4, 5 is bigger than 4. The alligator eats the 5. 55 is greater than 54. Okay? All right. 3 digits, can't do anything. 1, can't do anything. 7, can't do anything. 6 versus 8, 8 is bigger than 6. The alligator eats the 8. 176 is less than 178. 8, because the alligator ate. The alligator ate the 8. I thought it was funny. All right, speaking of 8, there's a lot of 8s here. These are hungry alligators, all the 8s. 3 digits, can't do anything. 8, can't do anything. 8, can't do anything. 8 is bigger than 3, so the alligator is going to eat the 8 over here. 888 is greater than 883. So let's read each of these again. 55 is greater than 54. 176 is less than 178. And 888 is greater than 883. There's my thumbs, giving you thumbs up. If I can center them. There we go. All right. You're doing great. I love you. You guys are doing great. Now, all we're doing is just adding more numbers. That's it. Let's add a few more numbers, complicate things a little bit. Okay, now we're getting into 10,000s and 100,000s, but we still repeat the process. We do the same exact thing. Okay, so you have 5 digits, you have 5 digits. I can't do anything. You are a 1, you are a 1. I can't do anything. You are a 6, you are a 6. I can't do anything. You are a 3, you are a 9. 9 is bigger than 3. The alligator eats the 9. 16,344 is less than 16,983. Capiche? Kaposh. Let's do it again. 6 digits, 6 digits. Can't do anything. 2, 2. Can't do anything. 5, 5. Can't do anything. 6, 6. Can't do anything. 9, 9. Can't do anything. 8, 8. Can't do anything. 7 and 7 can't do anything. So this is a trick problem. These are not less than. These are not greater than. These are equal to each other. Silly math teacher goat. They're equal to each other. So we're going to put a little equal sign there saying they're equal to each other. Okay? So that's how we're going to answer that one. And it looks like never mind, no comment. No comment. 6 digits, 6 digits, can't do anything. 9, 9, can't do anything. 7, 7, can't do anything. 4, 4, can't do anything. 8, 8, can't do anything. 7, 7, can't do anything. 3, 3, I can't do anything. These are equal to. So many tricks, like the cereal. It's like you have a bunch of cereal. There's so many tricks. Tricks are for kids. Remember that cereal? So let's read these. You ready? 16,344 is less than 16,983. 256,987 is equal to 256,987. 974,873 is equal to 974,873. So you try it. Okay, fill in these blanks. Do what we did before. I'm not going to tell you if we're going to see equals. I'm not going to tell you if we don't. But what you're going to do is pause the screen, try this on your own, come back when you're ready. Welcome back. 6 digits, 6 digits, nothing we can do. 6, 6, can't do anything. 1, 1, can't do anything. 0, 0, can't do anything. 3, 3, can't do anything. 2, 6. 6 is bigger than 2. The alligator eats the 6. 610,329 is less than 610,364. Okay? All right. 6 digits, 6 digits, can't do anything. 9, 9, can't do anything. 9, 9, can't do anything. 9, 9, can't do anything. 3, 3, can't do anything. 2, 2, can't do anything. 6 and 7. 7 is bigger than 6. The alligator eats the 7. So we would say 999,326 is less than 999,327. Okay, so let's read these quickly. 610,329 is less than 610,364. 999,326 is less than 999,327. So that's that. Those are using symbols to compare numbers, okay? You find out how many digits there are, see if you can do anything, and then once you get to the point where you can do something, alligator eats the larger one, then you read it out so that you sound smart, and that's how it's done, boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen and dogs and cats. You never know who watches these things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe button wherever that is, somewhere down there. Hit a like button too. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Bye.